for Hollywood.
Here's your E on the B with D. Daniels.
Hey, welcome to E on the B. What's going on with you? Listen, it's powered by Wade Chicks Chrysler of Culpeper. Say hello to summer sales during the Dodge 100-year event. Choose your new Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, or Ram. Wade Chicks Chrysler of Culpeper online, ChryslerofCulpeper.com, where the shit got bands, baby. Big movies this weekend. Long weekend, so enjoy it. Go to the movies, candy, popcorn, extra large. Just go for it, right? Just with the diet. X-Men, Days of Future Past, as if the title doesn't confuse you enough. I hear the timeline's going to confuse you as well. That hits the big screen. Hugh Jackman, Jennifer Lawrence, great cast. I think it's going to be good. And this looks very funny. Blended, right? With Drew Barrymore and Adam Sandler. I hear great reviews. So this could be the big weekend for Kim Kardashian and Kanye West getting married in Paris, maybe, right? So it looks like she already had her bachelorette, ordered like 825 bottles of champagne, and that was just for her and her sisters. So I also hear that Jennifer Aniston's hairdresser going to do Kim Kardashian's hair for the wedding. Couldn't you see Kim Kardashian with the Rachel cut? No. All right, and this just in, Keith Urban and Nicole Kidman, they said they watch episodes of Idol in their PJs. They're the only two watching the show. Hey, there you go. Now we know. Get all your entertainment news at B1015.com. Keyword E. Mwah.